Hello students. So the situation has compelled us to come back to our original mode once again, that is online mode. So welcome back to my class once again. So during these 2 to 3 months we had a chance to meet each other for physical classes. We interacted with each other. It was a nice experience interacting with you in a physical mode, and hope the situation will improve soon and will once again be back to the physical classes, because there is no alternative to the physical method. Physical method ର କୌଣସି alternative ନାହିଁ, because ଆମେ ସେଠି ଚାନ୍ସ ପାଉ front to front interaction. ତୁମର ଯାହା doubt ଥାଏ ତୁମେ ତାକୁ instantly ପଚାରି ପାର. You are having a chance to ask the question to the teachers directly, but here it is missed. But if we want, that means you and myself also, if we want, this method also can be made very effective. ये method को हम बहुत effective बने परिवा. For example, मु जहाँ पढ़ाऊँची जेमती तुम interact करथुलो, this interaction टा उठी बढ़ाई दबो. If you interact properly एवं तुम जहाँ doubt बाहरिबो जति ताकू regularly मते पचारिबो, I think this method can be more interesting, can be more useful for you. तो situation जहाँ बहुत शीघ्र improve करियो बोली भगवान पाखरे प्रार्थना करछि. I hope that this situation will improve very soon and will be once again in the physical classes. But till then we have to continue in our normal mode, that is online mode. Okay. So students, we are continuing up to Bohr's atomic model. We discussed up to failures of Bohr's atomic model. आमे करते पढ़ुथिलु ना Bohr's atomic model एवं तार failures पढ़िथिलु. So what are the failures of Bohr's atomic model? Now it was only applicable for one electron system like hydrogen, but failed to explain the atomic spectra of multi-electron atoms. And second one, it fails to explain the splitting of spectral lines in presence of magnetic field, that is called Zeeman effect, and the splitting of spectral lines in presence of electric field, that is called Stark effect. So these are the failures of Bohr's atomic model. So after failure of Bohr's atomic model, the proposal of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle was given, which I have already discussed, and the duality of matter, that is your de Broglie's concept, I have already discussed. So these are the two main causes of failures of Bohr's atomic model. What are they? Now duality of matter was not included in Bohr's atomic model. Duality of matter se include karnatile. Our second one, he went through the old concept, that is we can locate any matter or particle with absolute accuracy by applying laws of motion. So a point se failure heitile, because we have already discussed what is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The principle states that it is impossible to locate a subatomic particle with absolute accuracy. So how can we say that there are 2 electrons in the first cell, 8 electrons in the second cell, like that? आमे कहि परिबेन सेंती, because we cannot locate subatomic particles like electron exactly. Then I discussed the difference between orbit and orbitals. What is an orbital? Now orbital is the region or space surrounding the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum. Jodi nucleus ta kame choda dot akara dekhiba, suppose this is the nucleus, the probability of finding an electron is maximum near the nucleus. Electron probability सबसे अधिक कोठता है ना near the nucleus. So these dots, they represent the probability of finding an electron surrounding the nucleus. A dot का count depend करे ना the probability of finding an electron near the nucleus. They are called electron charge density. So when it is given in shape, we get an orbital, atomic orbital. For example, this is the shape of S atomic orbital. Okay. So what is an orbital? Now at the center there is nucleus. Center रहला nucleus. ता चारिपटे कौन होची ना इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइबार चांसेस बेसी. As we go far away from the nucleus, the probability of finding an electron decreases. आमे जेते दूर को जीवा न्यूक्लियस टू कोन हबो इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइबार प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत कमी जीवो. से लगी इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइबार प्रोबेबिलिटी सबसे अधिक कोठी ना नियर द न्यूक्लियस. Okay, and the region surrounding the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called an orbital. Okay, so that up to that we discussed difference between orbit and orbital. What is an orbit? Now it is the circular path surrounding the nucleus where the electron used to revolve around the nucleus. So this is the circular path called orbit. Then what is orbital? Now it is the region surrounding the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum. Okay, so we have already discussed this. So it was just a pre-discussion in order to come back to the topic once again. Next we will discuss your quantum mechanical model of atom, which is based on a second order differential equation known as Schrodinger's wave equation. I am called poriabe na quantum mechanical model of atom kaha upare se based na gote second order differential equation jaha ko ame koiba Schrodinger's wave equation. So quantum mechanical model of atom means we will discuss Schrodinger's wave equation. So next, quantum mechanical model of atom. Quantum mechanical model of atom. It is given by a second order differential equation, simple mathematical equation, second order differential equation known as Schrodinger's wave equation. Schrodinger's wave equation. এটা কোন না কইছি এটা একটা ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল ইকুয়েশন যাহা কি অর্ডার হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড অর্ডার ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন সেকেন্ড অর্ডার ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন ইউ উইল রিড ইন योर প্লস টু সেকেন্ড ইয়ার পঢ়িব বর্তমান খালি কই দউছি ইয়ার বহুতরা সলিউশন হি পারে ইট ক্যান হ্যাভ মেনি সলিউশনস টু ইট बट ऑल द सॉल्यूशंस आर नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल बहुत सॉल्यूशन बाहरी परिबो किंतु सबतक सॉल्यूशन एक्सेप्टेबल होबनी तो नेक्स्ट आसबी को कंडीशन तक फॉलो करले से एक्सेप्टेबल होबो सो फॉर द timing we will discuss what is Schrodinger's wave equation. Now you have to remember this one only, no deduction is required. Deduction course include nahi, you have to simply remember the equation. Del square psi by del x square plus del square psi by del y square plus del square psi by del z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v psi is equal to 0. So this is a second order differential equation known as Schrodinger's wave equation. Record now second order differential equation jaha हम कहबा Schrodinger's wave equation. एटी कोन कोन टर्म यूज होइछि फर्स्ट देखो यूज होइछि psi. So we will write where psi is the wave function of electron. Psi is the wave function of electron. It gives you the location of electron with respect to electron wave or amplitude of the electron wave. Wave function of electron. तो जेकोसी पार्टिकल को लोकेट करने पाई we have to go for three axes x, y and z. So x, y and z are space coordinates. सर कोड के बाद space coordinates हमको जेकोसी जिनसे लोकेट करने पाई स्पेस रे तीनटा कोऑर्डिनेट दरकार हुए x, y and z. So they are called space coordinates. Then pi you know is a numerical constant. Pi is a numerical constant. केते वैल्यू कइतिली ना 3.14 value is 3.14 or 22/7. Then m is the mass of electron. M is the mass of electron. H you know is Planck's constant. H रा कोन कहया छ ना Planck's constant. E total energy of the electron. E is total energy of the electron, whereas V is the potential energy of the electron. V is the potential energy of the electron. Okay, so these are the terms used in Schrodinger's wave equation. Del square psi by del x square plus del square psi by del y square plus del square psi by del z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v psi is equal to 0. Okay. So in other words, so let us make it equation 1. Aku koriba equation 1. This is the first form of Schrodinger's wave equation. Okay. So I can write equation 1 like this. Look at this. This one can be written as nabla square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v psi is equal to 0. Okay, so this is another form of Schrodinger wave equation. Make it equation 2. Make it equation 2. Where nabla square NABLA Nabla square is equal to del square by del x square plus del square by del y square plus del square by del z square. It's simply a mathematical operator. Simply a mathematical operator known as Laplacian operator. Known as Laplacian operator. Okay. So this is another form of writing this Schrodinger's wave equation. Nabla square psi plus 8 pi square m by a square into e minus b psi is equal to 0. Okay. So students, no derivation is required. Derivation का दरकार नहीं. Simply you have to remember this form or this form. Okay. Then next we will learn how to expand this one and get another form of Schrodinger wave equation that is known as h psi is equal to e psi. Where h means where h will be another operator known as Hamiltonian operator. H is another operator. तार ना कौन कोई बचवा Hamiltonian operator. Okay. So this is equation 3, another form of Schrodinger's wave equation. Okay. So next we will learn how to replace this one from this one. A2 केमती बाहर के में A2 पहुंचे डिडक्शन टा देखिए. Okay. So students will learn how to derive the equation h psi is equal to e psi. So we start with this one. The second form of Schrodinger equation, Nabla square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v psi is equal to 0. So expanding this one, अब तो expand करिए कौन कोई वामे ना Nabla square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square e psi minus 8 pi square m by h square v psi is equal to 0. Okay. Implies that. So we'll keep this one at left hand side. एपटे left hand side एटा को रखिबा ए दुटा को right hand side करिबा. So rearranging this we'll get 8 pi square m by h square e psi is equal to minus Nabla square psi plus this one will be plus 8 pi square m by h square v psi. Minus plus then dividing the whole equation by 8 pi square m by h square we get then total equation को इफेक्ट डिवाइड कर दो कौन पाइबा. Now look, e psi is equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m Nabla square psi plus v psi. ओके एटा पाइबा. तापरे कॉमन नेजिबा psi एठी कोन होछि देखो ना e psi will be equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m Nabla square plus v into psi. So taking psi common we will get this one. So this one minus h square by 8 pi square m Nabla square plus v is another operator called Hamiltonian operator. एटा कौन हो तुमको another operator जहाँ कोई थिलता नाम कौन h cap, that is Hamiltonian operator. Hamiltonian operator. So what we can write from this one? Now e psi is equal to h psi. But properly we will write it like this. When the wave function is operated by operator called Hamiltonian operator, it gives you the corresponding energy of the electron E. So this is the form which we are looking for. H psi is equal to E psi, where H is Hamiltonian operator, psi is the work function, E is the energy of electron. Okay. Then I told you that all the Schrodinger equation is a second order differential equation. कौन कहली ना Schrodinger equation गोटे second order differential equation तार बहुत गुरा value हिपारे. It can have many solutions to it, but all the solutions are not accepted. All the solutions are not accepted. ताले किसी condition थी वो there must be some conditions जहाँ को कि यदि तार solution follow करिवो ताले से accepted हबो. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ condition ଗୁଡାକୁ psi follow କରୁଛି ताले it becomes accepted, and that value of psi is known as eigen value. Okay, so hence the psi value of psi, or it will be proper to write all the values or all the solutions of Schrodinger's wave equation all the solutions of Schrodinger's wave equation are not acceptable. Solution कौन दबो? Now the solution of Schrodinger wave equation will give you the value of psi, but all the values of psi are not acceptable. Okay. That value of psi, which is the solution of Schrodinger wave equation, becomes acceptable when it abides by the following conditions. केतरे एक्सेप्टेबल होबो नै किछि कंडीशन केतरे मानिबो. कोन कोन कंडीशन देखिबा? That is, 1, psi must be finite, continuous, and single value. कहली आउथर छुआ, solution of Schrodinger wave equation will give you the value of psi. आमे तर Schrodinger wave equation solution पाइबा से कोन दो हमको value of psi. एवं समस्त value acceptable नुहंती. केतले acceptable हेबे ना एई condition रा सेतले मानिबे. So when they will follow or abide by these conditions, they will become acceptable. ताले first condition कोन? Psi must be finite. It should not lead to infinite values. Then it should be continuous. There should not be any discontinuity in the value of psi, and it must be single value. That means गोटिए point रे तार गोटिए value थिबा दरकार. At a given point there must be only one value of psi. Then second one, it must be normalized. It must be normalized. So normalization कहले बहुत कथा अछि छुआ. मु तुमको सिंपल भाषा रे बुझी दउची. Normalized, that is the probability of finding an electron in a given region or volume dv. आमे जेकोन से जगह गले भी इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइबार प्रोबेबिलिटी केबे 0 हबो नाही. So from minus infinity to plus infinity, what is psi square? Na probability of finding an electron where? Na in the volume element dv. dv volume रे probability of finding an electron होची psi square. केता हबो? सब बेले 1 हबो. So this is called normalization condition. So ए दुटा कंडीशन जेतल छा मानु थिबो के ना the solution of Schrodinger wave equation or value of psi, then that value of psi becomes acceptable. The acceptable value of psi, the acceptable value of psi is known as eigen function. Is known as eigen function. Eigen function का मतलब ना each eigen function corresponds to one atomic orbital, which corresponds to one atomic orbital. ताले जो वैल्यू टा psi रो एक्सेप्टेबल हबो ताको हम कोन कहबा छुआ ना इट इज कॉल्ड eigen function. Eigen function कोन ना each eigenfunction is associated with an atomic orbital. एबे पढ़ी न छ तुम atomic orbital ମୁଁ ଖାଲି तुम hints ଦେଇଛି so ଆମେ atomic orbital विषय जानिबु 1s 2s so जानि परिबो clear each acceptable value of psi is known as eigenfunction and it corresponds to one atomic orbital. पुणी सेहीटा तले ऑपरेट करियो हैमिल्टनियन ऑपरेटर देकी तले कोन दबो it gives you the energy of the atomic orbital. So when it is operated with Hamiltonian operator H, it gives us the value of E, and E, the energy of atomic orbital or electron in the atomic orbital is known as the eigenvalue. Is known as the eigenvalue. Okay. So जोटा हला एक्सेप्टेबल वैल्यू सेटा जतले ऑपरेट होबो कोन ना हैमिल्टनियन ऑपरेटर सो ये दबो कोन कॉरेस्पोंडिंग एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल दैट इज E, that is known as eigenvalue. Okay. तो पिला जदि बुझी न परछो विशेष कंफ्यूज होबनी so it will be also repeated in higher studies. So for the timing I wanted to let you know what is your Schrodinger's wave equation and what is quantum mechanical model of atom. सेति पढा पई चाहूतली आ भितर पॉसिबल क्वेश्चन केवल तुमको यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दी व्हाट ना Schrodinger's wave equation सेटा दी मन रखते पर सो फार सो गुड आ देयर आर रेयर चांसेस बट जो जाने पई चाहू मन रख सो दिस इज द कंडीशन दीज आर द कंडीशंस when the solution of Schrodinger's wave equation becomes acceptable and is known as eigenfunction. सब तक सॉल्यूशन एक्सेप्टेबल नुहे बार बार कहूची जोटा एक्सेप्टेबल होबो ताका हम eigenfunction कहबो which will correspond to one atomic orbital से कहा correspond करिवो गोटा atomic orbital correspond करिवो एवं से तले ऑपरेट होबो by using Hamiltonian operator H कोन दबो value of E is the energy of electron in the corresponding atomic orbital जाका कहबा eigenvalue. Okay students, so this is your Schrodinger's wave equation. Next we'll discuss regarding psi and psi square. So students have discussed regarding Schrodinger's wave equation, eigenfunction, eigenvalue. Then we'll discuss significance, physical significance of psi and psi square. So these are the two repeatedly asked questions, both frequently pachara jaye. What are the physical significance of psi and psi square? So first we'll discuss physical significance of psi. Physical significance of psi. कोई साथ already psi is the wave function of electron. तो देखो पचरा जाए first one लिखिबो psi is the wave function of electron. It provides you data, gives you data or its location with respect to x, y, z coordinates with respect to amplitude of the electron waves. Or simple words हम कौन कहेगा? It gives us the amplitude of electron wave. Electron propagates in the form of waves. Then आप कौन लिख पड़ेगा? Psi is the solution to Schrodinger's wave equation. Psi टा कौन ना Schrodinger wave equation जोटा गोटे सेकंड ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ता सॉल्यूशन होची psi and the accepted value of psi is known as eigenfunction. Accepted value of psi is known as eigenfunction, which corresponds to one atomic orbital. Which corresponds to one atomic orbital. Then psi is an imaginary quantity. Keମିତି? Normally psi is expressed in terms of a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers, where a and b are real numbers and I, that is iota, which is equal to root over of minus 1, is an imaginary quantity, is an imaginary number. Imaginary number. Okay. তাহলে normally আমি psi को কেমতে express করব a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers and iota is root over of minus 1 is an imaginary number. ତେଣୁ ଯେହେତୁ psi ର ଗୋଟେ imaginary quantity ବା number ରହିଛି, psi ର physical significance କିଛି ନାହିଁ. So what we will conclude, because psi has an imaginary quantity कौन लिखा, it has no physical significance. आर कौन सी physical significance नहीं, वास्तवता किसी significance नहीं. So students तुमको बारंबार कही जे this is a frequently asked question. Briefly discuss or write down the physical significance of psi. ताले जो points पर लाके देली. So please go through these lines, these points, and try to write it down. Okay. Then next we'll discuss physical significance of psi square. So next we'll discuss physical significance of psi square. Okay. Next students will discuss your physical significance of psi square. So physical significance of psi square. हमें अभी just पढ़ेलु, we just discussed that psi, the function of electron, does not have any physical significance. तार कौन सी physical significance नहीं. ऐसे देखिए psi square और अच्छी ना नहीं. Normally psi square is represented as a product of psi into psi star. Normally psi square को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करूँ, a product of psi and psi star, where psi star is equal to a minus ib. psi कहते हैं a plus ib. और कोई साइड चल रही है, psi को हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस करूँ, a plus ib, और a b are real numbers, I is the imaginary number called iota, that is root over of minus 1. ताले psi star कौन कहूँ, known as complex conjugate of psi. Complex conjugate of psi. तो psi star का हम कौन कहूँ ना, complex conjugate of psi. So the psi टा हुए a plus ib, psi star कहते हैं जो a minus ib. ताले बे आउटराइज दिया छुआ psi square कहते हैं वो ना psi into psi star, that is a plus ib. psi टा कहते हैं a plus ib into a minus ib. कहते हैं गलत छुआ ना a square minus I square b square, है ना. कहते हैं जो a square I कहते हैं root over of minus 1, so square means minus 1 minus minus will be plus, it will be a square plus b square. So what will be the value of psi square? Na a square plus b square. H I square कहते हैं जो minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1. So putting this value we'll get psi square is equal to a plus b square. देखो एटी how I imaginary term नहीं, it is free from the imaginary quantity I. H psi square is free from the imaginary quantity I. यदि I नहीं, imaginary quantity I, that is iota, it has physical significance. कौन कहबा ना यार physical significance अच्छी, it has physical significance. ताले कौन physical significance, which gives or denotes the probability of finding an electron in a given volume. In a given volume. ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ରେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରନ୍ ପାଇବାର ପ୍ରୋବାବିଲିଟି କଣ କହିବା ନା psi ସ୍କ୍ୱାର. ତାହେଲେ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦି ଫିଜିକାଲ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକେନ୍ସ ଅଫ psi ସ୍କ୍ୱାର. तो psi ର फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस नाही काहे ना सेतरे i टर्म अछि a प्लस ib बट psi स्क्वायर रे फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस अछि काहे कि ना एथरे i टर्म नाही केते हो psi स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर त कोन लिखै छ h psi स्क्वायर डज नॉट हैव एनी इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी और इज फ्री फ्रॉम द इमेजिनरी क्वांटिटी i इट हैज गॉट फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस आर फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस अछि कोन अछि ना इट गिव्स यू द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइंडिंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द गिवन वॉल्यूम और इन द गिवन रीजन जोटा हम कहू regarding one orbital. So this is all about your physical significance of psi and psi square. जेमति पिला कहिछि, so these are the two frequently asked questions. Write down the significance, physical significance of psi and psi square. Then we discussed Schrodinger's equation and quantum mechanical model of atom. So in the next class, students, we will start the quantum numbers. So hope you followed today's class. जदि केहि किछि बुझि पारनो मते तुम डाउट्स लिखि पठै परिबो. You know my WhatsApp number. So you are free to contact me anytime. Okay. So students, in the next class, we'll see you. Till then, goodbye.